What's up, Monster Club? Yours truly, the Party Monster, and today I have a pickup from the Weeknd. Yo, what is up, YouTube and the Monster Club? It is yours truly, the life of the party, the young Gohar, and I'm not gonna lie. If you're gonna cheat on me, please don't Snapchat me the video because I am the Party Monster. Back out the Monster, back out with a brand new video. In today's video, I got a new pickup that comes courtesy of the Weeknd's website. I've actually had this for a while, but I'm going to finally get into it and everything. And unfortunately, there's way too much truth in that opening of mine. And yes, that could be its own separate video. But regardless, you guys are my personal therapist and everything. So we're going to have some fun today and just kind of get my mind off of other things. So anyway, we're going to get into this pickup. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Join the Monster Club, the baddest club on YouTube. I know I'm super biased, but it is what it is. Anyway, you guys are all having a safe, blessed day. Your boy is definitely feeling it today. I'm actually about to go head down the road after I finish this video to go get a raffle ticket for the Powerpuff Girl SB Dunks, which I'm not going to win. Let's just be honest. I'm pretty sure everyone and their damn mama has put in a raffle ticket for that shoe, but I'm going to try nonetheless and everything. And yeah, quick fun fact. What was the last shoe that I won at my local skate shop via raffle? It's a trick question because the answer is 0. I have not won a single shoe via the raffle system for any shoe from my local skate shop, which is insane. Like, literally, prior to the pandemic, you could just literally go up there, wait in line, and hope for the best. But now everyone and their mom wants to be an SB collector, so it's tough. But if I get them, cool. If not, life goes on. But anyway, I've talked your guys' ear off enough. Let's get it. Okay, guys, so I actually am expecting a new sneaker pickup tomorrow, so definitely be on the lookout for that. I'm going to try to post that video as of Friday, but if not, maybe I'll drop something special during the weekend, maybe like Saturday, Sunday night, I don't know. I'm just letting you guys know that there could be an extra video this week on the way, so just stay tuned and everything. And again, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and stay plugged in. But anyway, I don't have any alcohol on me today, so we're just going to get right to the uncutting portion of it. And again, like I said, comes from the Weeknd. I actually spent so much money in merch when his, not the most current album, but the album before that, After Hours, came out. So I think this is the CD itself, maybe a t-shirt, who knows. I'm still kind of bummed I didn't get that Party Monster jacket, which goes for a dumb amount right now online. Like, I think it's going for like 600, which, nah. I'd rather make my own Party Monster jacket for that. Okay. So we got some clothes. Okay. Oh, and we got the hat. Okay, I know exactly what this is now. I mean, because I just looked at it. But anyway, you get the Weeknd bag. Check it out. Special packaging. That's pretty cool. It just says Mr. /XL 10-year anniversary. Okay, and it is this really dope anime hat. It says Thursday on it. You got some Japanese writing on the bottom. I know, super sick. I definitely love trucker hats and everything. They should definitely make a comeback. I don't know why the trucker hat comeback hasn't been made yet, but so we got pink eyes, green eyes. Put that back in the packaging. I really forgot I ordered this hat, honestly. Okay, guys, so to double down, well, we got another. You can kind of already see what it is. It's a t-shirt, of course. Same packaging. Really dope material, by the way. Like, this material really, like, heavy. So, cool. Again, same anime girl. There's like a cat on the bottom. Got your agent writing, you got Mr. on one and XL on the other, and on the back, of course, you got Thursday. Check it out. I don't know where I'm gonna rock this to, but it's a dope look nonetheless and everything. And it is a size XL for those that are curious. And yeah, super dope, super clean. I rock with it. Okay, guys, that's gonna do it for this quick pickup video. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Be sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed it. Definitely share it with a friend, and more importantly, follow your boy on Instagram at PartyMonster05 and on X at PartyMonster1. But until then, remember, don't be a dick, Be excellent to each other. Party on, dudes. Peace. I love y'all. Bye.